latest instalment of Oscar-winning director Danny Boyle's 28 Days Later franchise has been filmed on location in North Yorkshire this week. The project is believed to be 28 years later, the third film in the horror series, and reportedly the first of a new trilogy of sequels. The shoot took place at Fountains Abbey and Studley Royal, a UNESCO World Heritage Site near Ripon. Actress Jodie Comer, who's been cast in 28 years later, visited cafe and bistro Oliver's Pantry in the city while on a break from filming. There was restricted access for the visitors to the National Trust-owned parkland. Further scenes were filmed in the Yorkshire Dales National Park on locations including Highgas Falls and Redmire. A bone temple set was constructed next to the River Ure, and a public footpath closed for the duration of the shoot. The original 20 Days Later, which was released in 2002, told the story of a rage virus which swept through the UK. The second film was 28 weeks later in 2007. A spokesperson for the National Trust said filming took place for 3 days on the Fountains Abbey and Studley Royal Estate. It is a feature film directed by Danny Boyle. We look forward to sharing more details when we are in a position to do so. Appearing in a film allows Fountains Abbey to be seen and enjoyed by a large and often new audience, which in time can help to bring more people to the local area. The owner of Oliver's Pantry said, "We love it when there's filming nearby. We have catered for cast and crew of Downton's Abbey when they were filming in the area, and we supplied scones for a TV adaptation of Agatha Christie drama." As well as Killing Eve star Comer, the 28 years later cast also reportedly features Cillian Murphy, Aaron Taylor-Johnson, Ralph Fiennes and Jack O'Connell.